Purple Fox virus spreads through phishing Telegram apps. The Purple Fox virus is distributed through a rogue Telegram for desktop installer, which allows affected machines to receive further malicious payloads. TextInputh.exe is a built autoit script that dumps two files, one of which is a malicious downloader. In contrast to the genuine Telegram installation, which was downloaded along with the downloader, autoit executes the payload and configuration files included in the archive, which is then unpacked by the svchost software into the ProgramData folder. TextInputh.exe executes the following commands on the infected PC, according to Minerva Labs analysis. In the ProgramData folder, copies 360.txt, runt 3222.x, and svchost.txt with the 360.dll name. In order to prevent 360 AV processes from being started and Purple Fox from being detected, these additional files have been included. A hard-coded C2 address is the next stage for the virus, which gathers basic system information and checks to see whether any security programs are running on the machine. The purplefox.msi file, which includes encrypted shellcode for both 32-bit and 64-bit platforms, is downloaded from the C2 after the reconnaissance phase is complete. Purple Fox requires that the infected system be rebooted so that the altered registry changes, most notably the deactivated user account control, may take effect, UAC. Bypassing UAC is dangerous since it grants administrator rights to any software running on the infected machine, including viruses and malware. When it comes to preventing unauthorized software installations or system configuration changes, UAC should always be on Windows. In order for Purple Fox to carry out harmful operations including file search and exfiltration, process killing and data destruction, downloading and executing code, and even worming to other Windows computers, it is necessary to disable this feature. Malware campaigns that impersonate legal software have been transmitted through YouTube videos and forum spam, as well as dodgy software websites, in the past.